Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. On this video, we're doing a nice budget-friendly, quick, shredded barbecue beef sandwich. So let's get going. All right, for our protein, I got a chuck pot roast here. Very available in stores, and we're gonna hit it with just a very basic mixture. It's just salt, pepper, garlic, I think onion powder, and I think that's about it. You can add a little cayenne if you want to it, but it's sort of an all-purpose seasoning that I just kind of keep around. You can see it's in a coarse ground black pepper container. Always save these things and reuse them for your own spices. So we got our pot roast here, and we're just gonna give this a nice liberal coat. All right, for this cook, we're gonna be using the LoneStar offset smoker with a little hickory. And we're gonna get some help from the Tappecue CruiseControl fan system to help regulate that temp. I am gonna be using the new LoneStar fire basket or grill basket, which I kind of did a test run the other day on it. I was throwing one log at a time and that thing was just burning efficiently. I loved it so far. So between that fire basket and this CruiseControl from Tappecue, I think we're gonna be set. So let's go ahead and get this on. So right now our LoneStar is at 225, 229. So I got the temp set to 250, so it should hold right around there. Again, we just got one log on there. Go ahead and give this about 2-3 hours maybe, or however it looks. Let's go ahead and get started on our AmazingRibs Texas Brisket Juice. All right, we got our chuck roast on the LoneStar smoking away. We're gonna hold that smoker at 250, 225, 250. We're gonna go for about 2 hours, get some smoke in there. In the meantime, let's whip up a sauce. In full disclosure, this is AmazingRibs.com's Texas Brisket Juice, I think they called it. I thought it looked phenomenal, so we're gonna go ahead and give this one a try. My own variations on it, of course. We're gonna take a bell pepper. Not used to dicing with a rubber glove on, so I had to take that off because I keep nipping that glove. So we're gonna do it barehanded. Get some fresh garlic in there. All right, let's get everything in a bowl. To this, I'm gonna add some beer. This is Modelo, about a cup. Good thing it's cold. About 2 cups of beef broth. A little bit of ketchup. Apple cider vinegar. Some brown sugar. Worcestershire sauce. Chili powder. Paprika. Some cumin, some black pepper, as much hot sauce as you want. Looks good. And some steak sauce. And this is a brand new steak sauce bottle. This is, I've never tried this one. This is London Pub Steak and Chop Sauce. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, I just found it at the store. Give about a couple tablespoons or so of that, or more. It smells really good. I think that's it. Let's go ahead and whip this up. Now what we're gonna do is at the 2-hour mark, we're gonna go ahead and just pour this in that container with the meat. We're gonna give about another hour for some smoke to heat this sauce up. We'll cover it and we'll cook it the rest of the way until that beef is starting to shred. So it's been about 2 hours. The pot roast is looking good. We're gonna go ahead and put it in a tin, cover it with some, we're gonna add our Texas brisket juice to it and then get it covered. We'll let it finish off like that until the meat's nice and tender and falling apart. All right guys, we're at the 6-hour mark. Pot roast got to internal temp about 210 degrees and it was just starting to fall apart. We're gonna go ahead and pull this and let it rest. So our meat has rested about, I don't know, maybe an hour or so. Just let it cool down a little bit. Go ahead and open this up. That is looking nice. That is ready to be shredded. All right, so what I'm gonna do, without making a mess, is I'm gonna get a bowl here. I'm gonna transfer the meat to the bowl. All right, we're not gonna use the bowl. Just gonna go ahead and shred it right here up on the meat, on the cutting board. That way it's easy to see. Great smoke flavor, or great smoke smell already. It's got beautiful color, nice and tender. All right, we're gonna get some of our Texas brisket juice. Get some of that on there. Mix that up. I think we're ready to build a sandwich here. All right, I got a regular old plain old hamburger bun because that's just what I have. To the bottom, some pickles. I like pickles, so I'm gonna add 4. We're just gonna pile this on with our shredded beef here. What I got here is just some fried onions, just coated it with some all-purpose flour, a little cornstarch, a little seasoning. I use adobo seasoning for this. You can just use salt and pepper. Just give it that little crunch. That's it. Top this bad boy off. Nice little basic shredded barbecue beef sandwich. Let's take a bite of this. All right, this is gonna be a little messy. Oh, that's a beef sandwich. Smoky, that sauce is nice and tangy, got a little spice to it. Crunchy onions, you got that pickle. This is pretty killer. Nice and simple to do, not too many ingredients. You can use your own favorite barbecue sauce if you want. You can even do this in the oven. Nice and simple. Just cook it till the meat shreds. Remember guys, hit that thumbs up. I'll see you on the next run. Thanks for watching.